guys, I just made this top by myself. It's really quick and easy. Don't you want to go out and look poppin', but also save a coin, be able to pack light, save your money, look cute and sexy. I love it. What do you guys think? It's comfortable. Summertime is here. So this type of top is something that I see online all the time. A lot of stores are selling these for like $20 to $30. And we can make them in like 5. Switch this up with so many different colors and scarves. I'll link everything down below. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. It's a little different. I'm switching it up just because I want to see how you guys like it. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like these types of videos. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get into the tutorial. I'm excited. I'm gonna show you how I make this really quick and easy. So you start off with a scarf, a big one. I'll link something below for you. And then you're going to do a triangle, put the pointed behind you and the back pointed down. And then you're going to cross over and then tie behind your neck. Tie it tight so you don't have any tits flying out. And then you're going to adjust yourself. Tuck the back in. This is how the back will look. And the front. So this is a really like popular look, and you don't need to buy it from, you know, those expensive stores. You can just go ahead and get it yourself. There you go. What do you think? They're selling these shirts online for $20 to $30, so this scarf comes in like a pack that you can buy for like $10, $12, I think. Give this video a thumbs up if you like these type of videos. This was really quick and easy, and as you can see, I'm sorry it's not big tit friendly, but little titties is all I got, so that's how I know how to do it. I hope you guys like. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.